Hi, good morning children. Today I am going to explain lesson 3. What is the name of the lesson 3? It's Nasruddin's aim. Who is Nasruddin? Nasruddin is a person. Now we are going to talking about Nasruddin's aim. One day Nasruddin was chatting with his friends. That means we chat, right? In the same manner, Nasruddin also chatting with his friends. He began to boast. That means he's telling great about himself. No one can match my skills in archery. He's telling that in this archery, no one can match my skills. I can only do better. Archery. I string the bow, take aim and shoot the arrow. Shh. The arrow is sure to hit the right on the target. Hearing this, one of his friends immediately target. He said, aim at the target and shoot an arrow. He said that no other can do like me. I can shoot an arrow. I can do it very nicely than any other in this archery. And if he is telling great about himself, one of his friends said that okay, I'm going to give you the aim. You have to target and you have to shoot your target perfectly. He said, okay. He has given the target and Nasruddin is also ready to hit the target. Nasruddin held the bow and his friends and struck it and aimed at the target and shoot an arrow. Nasruddin was ready and he has shooted the arrow. Did you listen this sound? If you shoot an arrow, how it is? Like that, and that sound has come. The arrow did not hit the target. He said too much about himself, but that arrow, bow and arrow, and this is the target. Can you see this? But he could not hit the target. His friends stared laughing. They said, hey Nasruddin, is this your best aim? He said too much about himself and he could not hit the target. And what the friends did? Friends was, this is your aim. You were telling about this. And Nasruddin, what he said, see. Nasruddin defending himself. That means he's protecting himself. And what he said, this was not my aim. This was Azad's aim. And what he said, this was not my aim. This was Azad. Azad means maybe he is someone in the archery. Azad's aim just showed you how Azad shoots an arrow, and he is telling that it is not my aim. I don't do like this. This is Azad's aim. I am just showing you how Azad shoot an arrow. Saying this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow. Once again, he struck the bow, aimed at the target, and shoot the arrow. Again, what happened? He couldn't shoot the arrow, and again he took one more arrow and he wanted to shoot the target. He did it. What happened? This time the arrow fell a little further from where it has fallen before. This time also he couldn't. He did not do it. But it certainly hit the arrow. They asked, but it certainly did not hit the arrow. Second time also he did not hit the arrow. They asked Nasruddin, this must be how you shoot an arrow. Friends was telling that, oh, that was not your arrow, but this is your arrow only, right? You are showing that how you will shoot, right? The friends are asking him. Even this aim was not mine. Again, what he is telling? This aim is also not mine. It was the chief guard's aim. It was the chief guard said that this is not my aim. I am just showing you how chief guard shoots an arrow if he gets the chance. Now somebody remarked well. Now who's next on the list? He is telling others' names, and one of the friends also said that okay, first one you said Azad, the second one you said chief guard. Say next who is on the list? He said. And next what has happened? Let's see. Now who's next on the list? Hearing this, all the friends burst out laughing. Everyone were laughing like anything. Nasruddin did not say any word. He quietly picked up and one more arrow, and again and again, and this time Nasruddin was really lucky. The arrow hit right on the target. This time he did it. Everyone was laughing that he did not shoot the arrow properly on the target. That's why this time he did not say, while they were laughing, he did not say any word. He just took up an arrow and hit the target. He did it luckily. Everybody stared at Nasruddin. Stared means saying like this. Stared at Nasruddin, their mouths agape in amazement, like that, in surprise. Before anyone could say anything, Nasruddin said trumpetly, Did you see that? It was my aim. What Nasruddin said at the last? Did you see that? It was my aim. That is my aim. He was very lucky, right? He was telling more about himself. But at last, he was lucky that he shooted properly, perfectly at the last. If not, that's why we should not boast about ourselves too much. Little bit, no problem. Too much, we should not boast them in. We should not say so much about ourselves to others. Others should tell about us. Try to do this grammar part. Even page number 50, 51, 52, 53. You can do this. You can do this of your own. If not, I will reveal the answers later on. But try to do this. You can do of your own. This is not like this only you have to do. It is not like that. This is you can read the heading and you can try to do this one. Okay, do it. And August has come. You have to be ready. And at the end of the August, you will be having unit test 2. Correct? Be ready. And what you have to do? Complete the CW, even textbook also, and learn little bit. At least 2 questions per day, like that. Okay, don't leave simply like that. Okay, when the day comes I will read. No, don't say like that. Okay. And one more thing, those who did not take the textbooks, please take the textbooks. Without textbooks, it is not possible for you people to do well. Correct? Okay. Bye bye. Be happy.